Brian, how you doing? Thank you for purchasing the DX66V. Okay, as you can see, look at those conditions of the radio, like I said, okay? That's an excellent condition, okay? As you can see, the dimmer works perfectly. Knob works excellent, okay? Everything works here. Okay, like I said, this radio, this is where you work your echo. Right here you work your echo. Here's the talkback. Okay, you may know this radio, okay? Now, we're working on 13.8 volts. Okay, we're gonna work on this. It's in about 2.5 carrier. Audio. 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 Okay, now this is with all the variable. Now, let's put this up here. Okay, let's see how it does. Six watts. Whoop. Go to the 200 scale. Almost 30 watts. Okay. Talk back. Let's see if I can lower the mic gain a little bit. Hello. 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 1 2 1 2. See the echo. Hello. Check. 1 2 1 2. Hello. There it goes. 1 2 1 2 Hello. Radio. Check. Okay, Ryan? Now, check it out this video so you can see it's working perfectly. Like I said, radio's working. Alright, fine, alright? Alright, Brian, I'll be posting this on YouTube so you can actually take a look at it, okay? 73s. And thank you for your purchase one more time.